If you lose a single moment of time, you can never get it back. But what if you could gather all the lost moments and save your entire world? This is the story of Noor.
In a time long ago, there was a small village called Ather. The people of the village lived in total silence. But something very strange was happening. The colors were fading from the trees. The birds stopped singing their songs. The people forgot how to smile. A young boy named Noor lived there. Noor loved to watch the stars every night. He noticed the stars were losing their shine day after day. Noor decided to find the reason. Noor packed his small bag and set off. He walked through the dark forest for many hours. He reached the base of the Misty Mountain. There, he met a large owl with golden eyes. The owl said, "Time is escaping from your village, Noor." Noor asked in fear, "How can we get it back?" The owl replied, "You must reach the top of the mountain. There, you will find the great hourglass." Noor began to climb the difficult rocks. The air was cold, but his heart was warm with hope. At the summit, Noor found a massive iron door. He opened the door and entered a room full of clocks. In the center of the room stood an old giant. The giant was holding a broken hourglass. The sand was leaking out and vanishing into the air. The old man said, "I am the guardian of time, and I am tired. People no longer value beautiful moments. That is why time is disappearing from their lives." Noor cried and said, "Please, give us another chance. I will teach everyone how to love every second." The guardian said, "You must collect the lost sand. But this sand cannot be gathered by hands. It is only gathered by honest memories and feelings." Noor closed his eyes and began to remember. He remembered the smell of his mother's bread in the morning. He remembered the laughter of his friends under the rain. He remembered his pride when he helped an old neighbor. With every beautiful memory, the sand returned to the glass. The room began to glow with a bright light. The guardian smiled and said, "You have done it, hero." Noor returned to his village carrying a small lantern. As soon as he arrived, colors returned to the flowers. The people woke up as if they were in a long dream. They began to talk, laugh, and share stories. Everyone understood that time is not just numbers. It is the moments we spend with those we love. The village of Ather became the most beautiful place on earth. Noor continued to tell his story to every child he met, to always remind them of the beauty of the present moment. And so, everyone lived in happiness and gratitude.
Did you learn a new word today? Write it in a sentence below. And if you want more stories to master your English, hit that subscribe button and join our family.